everybody, my name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. Today we are ringing in the new year and I'm taking you step by step preparing one of my family's favorite dishes for the day, black-eyed peas, smoked ham, and greens. It's traditionally served on New Year's Day. It's perfect for any time you want a hearty and flavorful dish. So gather up your ingredients. I have mine. Do you have yours ready? Okay, let's get cooking. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to saute our onions and our celery seed until they are translucent. All right, our onions are ready. Next thing in the pot is our bell peppers. There is no rule that says you have to use green or you have to use red or you have to use yellow. I happen to have a piece of both, so both of them went in. Put the ham in. Let's press out 2 cloves of garlic. Then we're going to add our chicken broth. Our peas and tomatoes. And our spinach. Yummy seasonings. We're going to stir this up. We're going to bring this to a simmer. We're going to let it simmer for about 40 minutes. And I'll see you back here in about 40 minutes. Okay, our black-eyed peas are all ready. So I am going to just take a small taste. Now, in case you didn't know, this dish is one of 3 that we are preparing for New Year's Day dinner. We are doing our black-eyed peas. We are doing our main part of our dinner, and then of course we have one side. So you'll have to check back in. There are 3 parts and they'll be clearly marked. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. Don't forget that either. So I've been smelling this and I really wanted to try it. Oh my, that's really good. Well, thank you very much for joining me on this portion of our little journey for New Year's Day. I hope you really enjoyed it, and we are going to be wrapping it all up with our final video. Look for that, and it should be pretty good. So thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.